Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is your Microsoft Store account is different from your Xbox account. So if you're receiving this error message on Xbox Game Pass app, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So for this you can go ahead and click here to review them. Click over here. Now go ahead and select the right account. So you can go ahead and select the account and then click on set as store account, and it should go ahead and get rid of that error message. Or you can go to Microsoft Store. So you can go ahead and launch Microsoft Store, and then you can go ahead and click on your profile icon and then click on sign out and then click on sign in once again and select the right account. It should be same account with which you are logged in on Xbox app. So select the same account and then click on continue. Enter your email address, enter your password over here. So enter your password or PIN, whatever it is asking, and then click on sign in. And once you're logged in, you should not have this error message anymore. So this is how you can go ahead and get rid of that error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.